Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the resolution of a video in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the CapCut app, and here we have our projects. From the projects menu we have to select one that we want to work on. And then in the editing menu in the top right corner, we find a little toggle list. If we tap on this, then we can select the resolution for our video from this slider. And then after we find the resolution that is good for us, we just tap down here and it is set to that resolution. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.